Hi and welcome to today's session on upper and lower bounds dividing. So I'm going to be taking our knowledge of upper and lower bounds and we're going to be calculating the greatest or the least values or maybe the possible range of values in a division type of question. So these are our basic rules that we use for finding the greatest or the least values, and we're going to be concentrating on this block just here. So I'm going to take our upper bound and divide it by our lower bound of our two possible lengths. And we're gonna, that's to find our greatest. To find our least, we're going to take our lower bound of the first value and divide it by the upper bound of our second value. So for our example here, we've got a tile with an area of 270 millimeters squared, which is our area, and we've also got a length of 18 millimeters for the length above to the nearest integers. So possible widths that we could have for this tile. For the least values, we've got 269.5 millimeters squared, and we've got 17.5 millimeters for our length. For our greatest values, we've got 270.5 millimeters squared, and we've got 18.5 millimeters for our length. So to find our least or smallest possible value for our width, we're going to take our lower bound here, 269.5, and we're going to divide it by the upper bound of our second measure, 18.5, which gives us a possible width of the lower bound of being 14.57 millimeters to two decimal places. If we do the same for the upper bound, we get 15.46 millimeters to two decimal places, which of course gives us a range for our width of being anywhere between or equal to 14.57 millimeters and 15.46 millimeters. If you like what you see, please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.